Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to share my thought on a topic that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not. Leadership. When we hear the word leadership, many people immediately think of famous figures like Nelson Mandela and the successful CEO. But leadership is not limited to titles or authority. As it calls, leadership is the ability to influence, guide, inspires others towards a meaningful goal. It can be shown by anyone, in any place, at any time. A true leadership is not defined by power, but character. One of the most important qualities of a leader is integrity. Doing what is right when no one is watching. People follow leaders they trust. Without trust, leadership becomes empty. And another key quality is communication. A great leader knows how to express ideas clearly, listen actively, and understand different perspectives. Communication builds connection. Connection builds teamwork. One more important quality is vision. A leader needs to see the bigger picture and inspire others with a sense of direction. Vision gives people something to work towards, especially when difficult times. In conclusion, leadership is not about being boss. It is about service, responsibility, and influence. Each of us has the potential to be a leader, whether in school, at home, at work, or in our communities. We can choose to act with integrity, communication with purpose, and inspire others. That's all. Thank you.